Take a ride in the 2011 Golf. It's the original fun-to-drive hatchback. Drive one today and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, cruise control, trip computer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.